Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So in this video I'll be talking about some of my recent skincare purchases which are very affordable. I have handpicked up all these skincare products from a month ago and I didn't make any video with it basically because I wanted to try out every product and I'm still trying out all the products. So I want to take 1 or 2 weeks more to give you guys my ultimate reviews. As far as they are doing really good, I have using them as my skincare routine, and if they still proves to be that effective, I may include them in my permanent skincare routine and I'll make an updated skincare routine for you guys. I got this product from Purplle.com and I was about to buy some of my good vibe products, but I ran into this brand called Dermdoc. I then spent quite a lot of time looking through all their product ranges and what are they offering and claiming. So I felt it quite promising, but I didn't know about how will they work, and they are really new brand for me and there was not much people talking about this brand, but their ingredients were really great. I then gave it a shot and took some risk and bought a lot of skincare products from them. So then I started applying it on my face and watched everything happening and watched it after I wake up or whether my skin breaks out or not, and till now it is doing really good, but till now it's a question whether this will be a part of my permanent skincare routine or not. I want to still give 1 to 2 weeks to make my final opinion on this product. So let's just start with this video. I want to start this video by telling you guys that my skin is very dry, so I need to keep up with my hydration game on a daily basis. First of all, let's just start with a face wash. This is the face wash I got for myself. It's open because you can understand I have already started using it, but I still preserve the package just to make this video. So this face wash I didn't pay for. I have bought a lot of products from Dermdoc, so I got this face wash, full size face wash for free. I didn't choose for this face wash. I may not have chosen it, but I am using this face wash and I'm kind of stuck with it right now. So yeah, I am using this and it's a really great product. This is a skin tightening face wash with hydrolyzed collagen. Their ingredients, hooked me up to their brand. So the second product is a toner. This is the Hydra Boost Face Toner. This one I bought myself, and I already told you guys I am a dry skin person, so I got myself a toner with hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid, you guys know, it holds water and gives you hydration. And also one more trick I want to just tell you guys. I started putting my toner inside my fridge, and when I apply it, it's really cold, so it really calms my face. You can put your toner, sheet mask, everything store in fridge. It will calm your pores and depuff your face. So enough about this toner, great toner. Now I'm gonna go to serums. You know guys, if you are on this channel for a longer time, I love serums and face oils so much. I bought 5 serums and each with a very good ingredient. Also one more thing, I didn't buy all the skincare products to make a haul video. I just ran out of my essentials and I happened to come across these products and bought a bunch of it and then started trying it and then felt like, yes, I need to make a skincare haul video because I want to share with you guys what you guys are missing on. So let's just dive into serum. So first serum is the most obvious, hyaluronic acid and niacinamide serum. So I am using niacinamide and as an ingredient in one of my serums from Mamaearth. That is the Skin Correct serum or something like that, and I just wanted to try a new serum, so I got this one saying hyaluronic acid and niacinamide serum from Dermdoc. I am using it at night and I can understand why my skin doesn't scale out, why my skin looks so plump and glowing in the morning. By the way, I'm not wearing any makeup today, only a lipstick. Just used the face wash, toner and a vitamin C serum. So you can see how my skin looks right now. the next face serum is a Salicylic Acid face serum. It is not from Dermdoc, it is from NYB Skin Definite Shining as Sitcom Star face serum. Now NYB is a quite popular brand as for makeup is concerned, but I found that they have come up with very good range of face serums, so I gave it a shot as well. And also another reason is that Salicylic Acid face serum from Dermdoc was out of stock, so I got from NYB. It was also quite good. Like I said, I won't tell you guys anything which I find it not good enough. So what it does is basically, salicylic acid reduces sebum production, which will in turn help in production of lesser acne and pimples. I happen to use this when I break out. I use this along with tea tree oil, so it's quite effective. And yeah, the vitamin C face serum is also from NYB. This is their timeless at Times Square face serum with 20% vitamin C. So this is another serum. This is yellowish in color. Today I am wearing this face serum and this makes my skin look so glowy. So this is a definite must try. And also vitamin C as an ingredient is quite popular in the beauty industry, but recently it has been more hype and a lot of people have started using it, but it has always been a good ingredient for skin, so do check that out. These are the only two products I got from NYB and the rest are from Dermdoc. Okay, so the fourth serum is a retinol serum. So I had to get a retinol serum, man. It's so beneficial. If you guys are using retinol serum, retinols are not meant to be used on a regular basis. Use it 5 times a week or in alternate days. I use it on an alternate day basis. I'm going to talk about the benefits of all these things in a different video because it will turn quite long if I do the same. I'm just gonna introduce you with these ingredients. The last serum that I got for myself is a kojic acid serum. Kojic acid is kind of new for me, but I understood why I need this serum. It repairs your skin, it helps in producing melanin, clears out your skin and blemishes. So there's a lot of things. So that was all about the serums I got for myself. But before moving on to the next product, I want to talk to you guys about some of the ingredients that I didn't get for myself. But if you come across these ingredients, they are really great for your skin. There are few ingredients like obviously I told you hyaluronic acid, salicylic acids, glycolic acid, retinol, vitamin C serum, kojic acid, mandelic acid, etc, etc. There are a lot of products. Basically my skincare routine has become more of an ingredient oriented, and I feel that should be the case for everyone. I don't go by the name what the product says it will do, but rather I go by the ingredients. So just watch out what you're putting on your face. Let's just dive right into my next product. Basically this is the last product of the Dermdoc haul. So I got this for myself. This is a Dermdoc skin brightening face cream with vitamin C. So this is a day cream. If you guys know me, you know I don't actually use creams. I rather use face oils. I thought of taking a risk and buying this product. But let me be honest, I won't say that it will replace my face oils, but maybe because I really have a habit of applying a face oil even after putting a moisturizer. So I don't know, but this is a great moisturizer to have. It's kind of lightweight, what formula it is, but after applying it, my skin is all greased up and moisturized, and it really remains the same for a long time. I apply it twice a day, in the morning like just right after shower, and in the evening like around 4 p.m. or something. Also, I want to talk to you guys about the packaging that shook me like anything. With such affordable price, how can you get a packaging like this? First of all, this silver things makes it look good. You have got a lid here which you will take out and you get the moisturizer. It's very lightweight and glides very easily, and also at the same time requires a little portion to cover up your entire face. I am gonna talk to you about this lid. It has a double coating, like the silver portion, as well as it has got another lid inside. I am shook about their packaging. It's so sturdy, and if I compare this with any Good Vibes product which comes in this shape, the lids are not that sturdy. I have got a lot of face masks with such packaging of Good Vibes. They don't have an inner coating like this brand, so I am quite impressed with this brand. So finally, till now, after continuously using this product for 1 month, I am quite impressed with this newly found brand, Dermdoc. So I am gonna give a thumbs up for every product, but I will make a skincare routine if at all I think this becomes a permanent product in my life. So let's just see. They are really affordable. Ingredients are great. It has a quite wide range of face washes, toners, creams, serums and everything. So check out that. I'll leave everything down in the description below that I mentioned in this video. Watch out the ingredients that you put on your face and just don't get taken away by the label and the name of the product. So guys, with that note, I'm gonna end this video, and from now I'll meet you guys twice every week, on Tuesday and Friday. So watch out this channel for more amazing content on these days. I'm gonna meet you guys very soon. Until then, be happy. Bye.